Well, a big hello from Team LongShot AI. In this video, we'll be presenting LongShot's 21-point helpful content checklist, which appeals to people and search engines alike. So, if this is something which concerns you, well, keep watching this video. So as you can see, we are already inside LongShot's blog editor and we have some content over here. You can obviously create your own content or you can even copy paste your content. So if you head over to the bottom right hand section, you can find the helpful content checklist. So you can see all the 21 points mentioned in the list and you can start from the top. You can see that first thing is creating comprehensive content. Now the hint is use LongShot's semantic SEO feature. If you click over here, you'll see that this section is getting updated. So the score is getting calculated. So wait for a second. Okay, so as you can see, we have the score over here. You can obviously expand the score and you can see the different scores you see for different parameters. And you can, of course, create content on those questions. So after you've done creating comprehensive content, you can look at the next checklist point, which is about including visuals to diversify content. So yeah, you can obviously add visuals to improve engagement, make content more beautiful. And then of course, it's important to optimize your content for search engines for improving searchability. So of course, you have the SEMrush integration. Click over here, you have the SEMrush list. So we don't have a particular list over here, but for instance, if we were to look at SaaS marketing, you have all these keywords over here. You can use the keywords in your content to improve searchability. So again, heading over to the checklist and you can see the next point is ensuring error-free content, which is basically ensuring that your content is free of grammatical errors. You can use a grammar checker for that. And the next thing is checking about content readability. You can find the content readability score over here. You can see that our score is 74.79, which is pretty good. And similarly, if you keep going on, you'll find the different features. Like the next feature is about identifying a niche and creating personalized content. So as you can see, we have niches over here. We already have the digital marketing niche selected. And if you click on it, you can find that it's already selected. This is important to generate content which is more personalized to your users. So it's very important to use or select a relevant niche. And similarly, if you keep going, you have content originality, creating original content, checking for plagiarism. You can obviously check plagiarism. You can click over here, and if you go over here, you can check for plagiarism and you can find if there's any plagiarism concerns. So similarly, there are other points to the helpful content checklist. While creating content, if you keep on checking all these points, you'll end up having a pretty helpful content for your users. You can obviously explore all these points inside LongShot's blog editor. It's pretty easy to use. Some of them are directly related and some of them are basically connected to user experience, which also add to helpful content. So do check them out. And if you have any questions on helpful content checklist, please feel free to ask him. We'll be more than happy to assist. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.